Hey guys, want to do a quick video. Working on this 2019 Ram Limited. It's got air suspension, and it came in, and we just had the bags, so we had to separate the shock from the airbag, and there's no videos on YouTube of how to do this, so I figured I'd just do a quick video. Basically, the top of this bag, it has this rubber piece inside. Then the strut comes through, nuts there. And then on top of that, this piece goes down on there, and you have to compress it to get this retainer ring around there. So I use the spring compressor to push this down, pull that out. Then this comes out. Then you have to compress the spring again to allow to get some kind of vice grip or something on the end. Then once all that's out, the bottom of the bag sits on this lip, and as you can see, there's a plastic piece. And then in the new kit, you get your plastic piece. You also get an O-ring that sits on top of that. And then you'll have to hammer the bag off of the strut. But when you go to slide the new one on, put that rubber or the plastic piece there, rubber O-ring, and then slide that back in and nut it up at the top. Not too bad, but was a little bit of worry because I didn't know how much pressure this was holding, but it wasn't holding very much. It's just basically the pressure of the deflated bag. But yeah, other than that, that's pretty well how it goes. Also, too, this is the new bag. When you have everything set down, your retainer ring in there, this rubber piece goes over top and just kind of slides on and sits there. And then obviously your fittings for the lines and everything go back in, but that's pretty well it. So I've got everything back together, all compressed down. You can see that ring is in there. And then let off. There we go. Rubber seal added. Now time for the valve. Put a little bit of a thread sealer on it, and then should be good to go.